Everyone keeps saying that AI is coming for our jobs. For me, I don't think that is completely true. Here is what I believe. AI won't replace you. A person who knows how to use AI will. And if you don't understand that difference, you may spend your entire years preparing for wrong battle. In case you don't understand me, wait, I am going to explain myself. Imagine two accountants. They have the same degree, the same experience, and the same salary. One accountant spends 6 hours preparing financial reports, but the other one finishes it in just 2 hours because AI handled the repetitive work. Now, I want to ask you, who among these two accountants do you think the company will value the more? It is not because one is smarter, but because one is more productive. And that is the place where the world is entering. My name is Pat. If you are ready for this conversation, let's get started. Now, for this video, I am going to divide it into 5 main parts, and you will need to stay to the end in order to understand everything because they are actually interwoven. So, number 1, this is not the first time technology has changed the work. Yes, when computers arrived, some people said typewriter will never disappear. I could still remember this. When I started working in this private polytechnic, I was asked to come and computerize the process, what they do there in one particular office. And some people were against it. They were kicking left and right. They didn't want this change. Some were saying, will there always be lights? Are you going to buy fuel all the time? And all of that. Some even argue that the typewriter will never disappear. Tell me today, have you seen anyone buying typewriter today? When last did you see someone buying a typewriter? When ATM came, the same thing happened. People said bank workers will become useless. Yet today, banks are still employing thousands of people. The people who adapted stayed relevant. History has always rewarded adaptation and not resistance. I hope you are thinking. You are looking at your own job and learning. I hope so. Now, in number 2, yes, many people think they are competing against AI because they think AI is just against them. But they are not. You are not competing against AI. You are competing against another human being. Someone who has decided to become more efficient by using AI. That is actually the person you are competing with, not AI itself. Do you understand? So, in case you don't understand, think about it this way. A content creator uses AI to research faster. Instead of wondering, what content should I do? How do I structure it? Just give it to AI. AI will do it for you. The same thing, a teacher uses AI to prepare lesson notes. I remember in those, before year 2020, I used to sell lesson notes for teachers who could not write lesson plan or lesson notes. Today, AI can help you do that. You don't need to buy lesson notes anymore. A programmer uses AI to debug code. If you know what I mean, you can just carry a code, give it to AI and ask it to find out the error. The same way, a student uses AI to understand different topics. So, AI can help you to understand difficult topics. And again, a business owner uses AI to answer customers 24/7. You see different chatbots coming out. Different businesses are now using it to answer questions peculiar to their own business. They are still doing the work. they are still doing it better. The tool didn't replace them. The tool multiplied them. That is what AI has come to do. It hasn't come to replace you, but to make you more efficient. In number 3, some people say, I don't believe in AI. Well, that is okay, and that is your belief. I am not the one to tell you what to believe, but if you are watching me, you need to listen, and listen very attentively. Because AI doesn't need your permission to keep improving. Whether you use it or not, whether you improve, whether you believe it or not, someone else will also use it. The people who believe in it will continue to use it. And that person may apply for the same job, pitch the same client, start the same business, or compete in the same market. The same tool you say you are not going to use, another people who is using AI will be competing with you. Now tell me, are you going to be faster than AI? Ask yourself, if those people who are using AI can do more in less time, who has the advantage? Do you have better advantage than them? This is not about fear. It is about the reality. Ask yourself. And if you are enjoying this conversation and you want practical ideas about technology, careers, money, and the future, please subscribe to this channel. In this my channel, Uncle Pater's channel, we don't just follow trend. We learn how to benefit from them. Okay? Also remember to give the video a thumb so that YouTube will continue to show it to so many other people. Now, let's continue. In number 4, do not panic. Don't quit your job. Don't believe every scary headline you see online. Instead, start learning. That is one thing you need to do. Start learning. Spend just 30 minutes every day. Learn how AI can help you in your profession. So, don't just be panic. And for example, if you're a teacher, learn how it can help you to create lesson plans. If you're a student, learn how it can help you to understand difficult concepts. If you're a business owner, you should also learn how it can improve your customer service and so many other things. If you're a job seeker, you can learn how to use AI to make your CV better or even prepare for an interview. You don't need to become an AI engineer. No. You don't need to become an AI engineer. You just need to become someone who knows how to work with AI. That is all you will need to do. In number 5, that is true. The winners of the next 10 years won't necessarily be the people with the highest IQ. That is intelligence quotients. They will be the people who learn the fastest, the people who stay curious, the people who are not ashamed of learning new tools. Because every generation gets tested. Our parents were tested by computers. Even many of us were tested by the internet. Now, our generation is being tested by AI. So, the question is not whether AI will change the world. It already has. Yes, AI has already changed the world. The real question is, will you change with it? Are you going to change with it, or are you just looking at it as something that will just fade? In conclusion, years from now, people won't ask whether you were against AI then or not. They will ask something much more important. What did you do? What did you learn? What have you achieved with AI? Remember, technology has never rewarded the loudest people. It rewards the people who adapt it the first. So, don't spend your time trying to defeat AI. Spend your time becoming the kind of person who knows how to use it better than everyone else. Because in the future, AI probably won't replace you, but someone using AI might just replace you. If you are confused about where to start, I have just made a video on 5 AI skills you will need to learn today in order to remain valuable. My name is Uncle Pat, and I believe your greatest advantage is not the technology you have today. It is your willingness to learn before everyone else. I will see you on the next one. Please remember to join our Telegram group, our Telegram channel. There we'll share valuable insights. Some of them will share them before we make their videos. Some will not even make it to this channel. So find the link and join us now. And I will see you on the next one. Keep winning.